side plank. The side plank is going to build endurance into our rotator cuffs and into all of our lateral muscles, our obliques, our hip adductors, all those pieces. For the beginner, we're going to come down, and same as always, I want to make sure that my shoulder and my elbow are in line, my ear, shoulder, hip are in line. As a beginner, we are simply going to stack the knees and move them back. So once again, knee, hip, shoulder, ear all stay in line. From there, I'm simply going to lift up and hold. Notice I'm not flat, but there's a little concavity or a little bridge, making sure that I'm contracting all these muscles on the bottom side. Same as the others, you'll hold it for 2 minutes until you can slowly work your way up to 5. Once you've reached 2 minutes, you're then free to try the advanced version, which simply means straightening the legs and coming up into that same bridge. Same rules, somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes. If that's easy for you, bring up an arm and then bring up a leg, and same thing, 2 to 5 minutes. Make sure that you do each side to avoid any asymmetries. Our next exercise is prone Superman. I'm going to come down, forehead on the ground.